Hi, this is a demo of the website sobrietytoolkit.com. It's a website that's being developed, and we have created screenshots of the inner workings of the website. And I'd like to quickly go over the features of this site and why it's unique to the internet and why it's been needed. First off, when you go to Sobriety Toolkit, there'll be a registration system, most likely connected with Facebook. So you just click on login with Facebook, and it automatically gets most of your information. And then once you've logged into the website, the first page that the user will see would be the profile page. Um, this profile page will have several inner pages: toolkit, sober support, photos, timeline, inbox. What makes this website unique is that the toolkit allows the user to add their own sober tools. So the toolkit might have their calendar, a budget, a journal, meetings list, just like how a smartphone has a whole bunch of applications that you can install onto your phone. The Sobriety Toolkit will have hopefully several, like maybe even up to 100 or more applications that the individual user can install and put into their website, into their toolkit, and use, each with its own permissions, so that if they want to just use it themselves or to share it with others, they can through the settings part. Um, when they want to add another application, they can just click on the add button, and then that will show additional toolkits that they can add to their site. Um, and just click on add, and then it will add it to their toolkit, and then be able to show each individual application that's in their sobriety toolkit part. The next page is sober support, which is their friends. You be able to see all the friends that the person has. They can locate by distance, last login, or by name, and each one will have its own profile and its own permissions and pictures and all of that. Next page would be photos, which just all the photos that user has, and you can tag the people in them, or coordinate them with where they are and all of that. The next is the timeline. This is more like how Facebook has, status, photos, events, and they're just a running timeline of events, sobriety dates, goals, milestones, all of that. They can be viewable to friends, or only to family, or to people in particular programs. All that will be in here. Next is inbox, which this is just messages. The message title will be here, and then the details of the message will be there. And now the next tab, which is social network. You see all the tabs along the top. You have profile, social network, programs, my recovery, resources. The next is a social network, which is going to allow you to search all the people that are in the sobriety toolkit. You can search by distance, username, sobriety date, last login, and again, clicking on the name will give their details and option to send a message or ask to be a friend. The next is the Programs tab. Now this allows a whole bunch of programs to be part of the Sobriety Toolkit. This will be searchable by state, zip code, or a type of program. You find which state you are in, or what type of program you're looking for, and then when you click on View Program, the details of the page shows up with uh, about, discussion, resources, and events. Now, it could be a closed program where when you request to be a member of the group, the program director has to approve you. This is so that the resources can become available to that person. So say you have an outpatient program and you want to have assignments, PowerPoint presentations, quizzes, homework assignments, all of that. The user can request to be part of that group, and then once approved, they can then share the resources. So the resources look like this. So they have, you can have videos, workbooks. So here's Is Addiction a Mental Illness? Is going to be like a PowerPoint presentation of several bullet points of how that is. And then at the end, they can take a quiz to see that they got those concepts. And when the user clicks on Add to My Recovery, each of these books is added to their My Recovery tab, which is right here. The recovery page looks like this, and it will have a folder for each program that they are part of it, the quizzes they've taken, papers they've looked at, and if they've taken a score, they have what the score is. So that's kind of like the general one. Each of the program's directors would have an admin system where they can create these PowerPoints themselves. So it's kind of like like a admin tool to put pictures, bullet points, text, and create each of these papers and load them onto the website. Okay, well, that's a quick overview. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is all being developed, and I really appreciate support. Let me know any suggestions or what you think that can be improved upon. Okay,